Today I'm going to show you how you can get free PayPal money without doing surveys. I know a lot of people hate surveys, me included, and they don't actually pay that well. I'm going to show you here a worldwide website that anybody can use. All you need is a computer and an internet connection, and it's actually, honestly, a pretty decent website to earn some extra money online. Of course, it isn't going to make you a full-time income, but if you're looking to make some extra money online to maybe buy a new game, or just get a bit of money into your bank account or your PayPal account, this is going to be the website for you. So the website that I'm talking about is called PicoWorkers. Now wait until I explain what the website is and how you can use it, because there are some key points you need to know about this website. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. But the website is called PicoWorkers, and it's essentially a micro job website where you can get paid to do micro jobs. Now I've got $6.90 in my balance. I've used it before, it's actually pretty good. You can join the site as an employer or a worker. We're going to be joining as a worker. We can browse small jobs and we can select jobs that we like, and we can then finish those jobs. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to sign up for an account, which you just go and sign up, it takes like 2 seconds, then you should be logged into your account. Now when you're on the website, what you need to do is you need to go onto small jobs, and here you're going to see a lot of different small jobs that you can do to make money. Now, some of these jobs here will pay you 4 cent, 4 cent, 3 cent, 3 cent, 20 cent, and these are all small jobs that you can do to make money. Now, if you compare this to surveys, surveys take like 20 minutes to do one survey for like 5 cent. These take a couple of seconds. So if we just take a look at some of these jobs here. Proton Mail plus Facebook apps create accounts. So I'm assuming this is a job where somebody wants you to create an account. So we'll open this in a new tab and we can just have a look at the job. Now some jobs are going to be pretty complicated, like this one seems to be quite long, and I guess that's why it's 40 cent, but we'll look at an easy one here. Coin Pro sign up. So this is a 10 cent job, and all we have to do is sign up for a website. So it's going to tell you on every job what's expected and the proof that it was finished. So you need to go to this website here, so we'll go to this, and then you need to complete the sign up, activate your account with the activation code sent into your email, and then you'll be required to input a username. This will be your proof. So what you would do is you'll go sign up for this. So I'm going to click login/join. Now we're logged in, we would just confirm that email, and I guess you'll give them your username. So you would basically follow what it says and give them your username, and then you would click I accept this job. Then you would paste in your username there, you'll click I confirm, and then that's all you have to do, and this person's going to confirm that you've done the job, and you're going to then earn 10 cent. Going back onto PicoWorkers, we've got more jobs. Watch, like, subscribe and comment on a YouTube video for 7 cent, 7 cent again. We've got sign up for this one here. We'll just do this one here again, registry sign up. You go to this link, you click on wedding registry banner, create your registry and register. Then select the marriage dates 4 to 5 months or more from now. Then you need to add 2 to 3 items, and that's all you have to do, and you just screenshot that you've added them and put your username. Again, I'm going to show you one more job here, like you've got sign up, visit website and click once. We'll just have a look at this one. So you need to go to the YouTube link, you need to open the link in the description, visit 3 articles, stay for 1 minute on the site, and then click 2 ads. And then for proof, all you need to do is copy the links of the 3 articles that you've visited, link to the screenshot of the site and send it, and then if you leave a comment, send me your username. To get screenshots, because a lot of these are going to ask for screenshots, you want to use something called Gyazo. So this is Gyazo, and it basically allows you to take a screenshot of like a certain part of your screen. You can see here. Just go and download it for Chrome, it's easy, and you can use it for free. So that's basically an overview of PicoWorkers. You can go and use it yourself and you can go and make some money. I do recommend it, like it's not bad money. There are different micro workers websites that you could potentially try and use. But a lot of these, if you just go through these, you can make a decent amount of money, like you watch YouTube videos, watch, like, subscribe, comment, and just go and check them out. You can see I can keep scrolling and there are loads of jobs here that you can do. Go and check it out, go and make some money. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.